Back button of Adobe PDF Reader after clicking a hyperlink whose target is on the same document. PDF documents have hyperlinks to the contents on the same document, analogous to hashtag section refs for an HTML document. Where's the back button to go back to the page I was on, where I clicked the hyperlink? Let's say I'm on the index of a PDF tutorial, page 4, and I click on chapter 2's hyperlink in the index that takes me to page 38. Now, if I want to go back to page 4 again, which button or shortcut should I use?
I have always had luck using the combination Alt and the left arrow, much the same as in EA, Firefox, or any other browser. I found this out on accident when I was in a PDF document in a browser and found it worked in the standalone program as well. On the Mac, the equivalent in Adobe Reader is Command left arrow. In Preview, the default PDF Reader on Macs, the equivalent is Command, open square bracket.
Back and forward buttons can also be added to the toolbar in Adobe Reader. If you right-click on the toolbar, under More Tools, Page Navigation Toolbar, they are referred to as Previous View and Next View. Or alternatively, click on the View drop-down menu, then click Page Navigation, then click Previous View. A backward arrow will then appear in the toolbar at the top. Repeat for Next View to add a forward arrow.
For Foxit users, as stated in the other answers, you can use Alt plus left arrow as a shortcut. If you want to see this on the menu, open Foxit, go View tab. You can see on top left corner of the windows, Previous View, Next View.
In events, you can use the back button functionality to achieve what you desire. The back button is not visible by default, but you can make it visible by the following steps. Right-click on Toolbar. Select Toolbar from the context menu. In the window that appears, drag and drop the back button to your toolbar. Note: the back functionality is not similar to what you get in a browser. When you press back, it gives a list of all the links you had visited in that document, and you can select from the list.